everyone! You can make your tea time creamy and sweet with Kenzy's milk tea recipe. First, let's cook our tapioca pearls in a boiling water for 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes, let it sit on its own water for another 30 minutes. Then set it aside. Next, we're going to make our milk tea. Just pour the milk, creme densada, and black tea all together and let it simmer. Mix it gradually until it simmers. Then we can set it aside afterwards. Next, we will wash our tapioca pearls with cold water. Now, let's put our brown sugar in a wok and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, just add the pearls and mix it gradually until the sugar becomes syrup and the granules have dissolved. Just cook it in low fire. And just a tip guys, don't overcook it, otherwise tapioca pearls will compress and will become hard. Finally, we can now transfer the pearls and the milk tea into our glass. And here it is, Kenzy's milk tea. That's it everyone, easy as 1, 2, 3. If you love the video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Mira from Kenzy's Kitchen. See you next time, thank you and bye!